Beltway Appliance and Air Conditioning is one of the most trusted air conditioning and appliance companies available in the North Houston, Texas area. We personally answer our telephones and strive to set appointments the same day if at all possible. Beltway Appliance and Air Conditioning has knowledgeable and fully trained technicians that work on Bosch, GE, LG, Profile and Viking appliances and front loaders of all makes. Beltway is a family owned and operated business that will save you money and do the job right the first time. Call Beltway Appliance and Air Conditioning now at 281 350 9002 or call us at 281 361 7232. So that's 281 350 9002 or 281 361 7232. Call today and we will see you today. Have a blessed day.